Okay, just received my drone back. Not the box that I shipped it out in. A little worried, half of the box is caved in. And as I could tell, it's just loose in there. Where I went through a bunch of trouble to make sure that it was packaged right. Scared to death of looking inside of this box, and the drone is just going to be loose. And it is. It's entirely just loose inside of there. Where it's just shaking around. Everything is just entirely loose. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I boxed it up in a huge box, and this box is totally collapsed on one side. There's nothing to protect this drone inside. I just can't freaking believe it. So far all my pieces are together, but my card's still in there or not? Okay, my card's still in there. My numbers are still there. Just nuts. My controller with their little sticker on it. Okay, that comes off. Good. Can't tell if that sticker's been broken or not. It has. They obviously opened this up for some reason. So need to take it to the light. I spent $25 worth of packing material and a box to use to pack this drone, and they go ahead and just throw it in a box and send it back to me. As of now, I don't see anything. Luckily, these things can take a beating, but God only knows what could have been damaged inside. It's absolutely ridiculous. Well, here's the moment of truth. After repackaging my drone and got it put back together so I can take it out for a flight and see if everything's at least running after they just let it bash around inside of a box. Wish me luck. flew. Still has the same problem that I had. So lucky these things are built. Well, I'm lucky these things are built good, because what they did to this drone and sending it back this way is absolutely ridiculous. You know, I always wondered how they're going to make their money by getting free shipping to them and free shipping back. You know, you can control one way, but man, I thought they would at least use my box to send it back in. But to put it in a tiny little box that's just being able to just smash around is just, I mean, I am just infuriated. And let me finish the story. Is I sent it to him because of a horizon line that is not staying horizontal. When you turn, it drops one edge, and yeah, it just doesn't stay level. So I sent it to them. It looked like a great deal. It sounds like a great deal. You know, you send it to them, they send you a packing slip. It's all free. Even they'll diagnose it for free. They'll send it back for free even if you don't use them. But they said that the camera was broke, and that it would cost me $600 for a new camera and another couple of $100 for them to put it into it. And at that point, that's more money than I paid for the entire drone. So yeah, got choices to make, and the choices are probably, you know, it's a pretty expensive air camera at this point, because not keeping that horizon level is not just something that I could afford to do. Actually, I don't want to put that much money into a Phantom 4 Pro when I could put it into a Mavic 2 Pro. And it's hard to see the workhorse go away, but yeah. So, well guys, you know, you've seen this video. I just wanted to show you my case with this company, and before you put your trust into them, you know, you just seen what they did to me.